Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a complete guide on how to delete a group message for everyone on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, navigate to the group from which you want to delete a message. Simply tap on the group to enter its chat interface. Step 3. Now, within the group chat, select the specific message that you wish to delete. Long press on the message until it is highlighted. Step 4. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a delete icon. Tap on it to access the delete options. Step 5. From the delete options, select Delete for Everyone. This will remove the message from the group chat for all participants. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a group message for everyone on WhatsApp. Now you can ensure that any unwanted or incorrect messages are removed from the group conversation. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.